So I want to help them out today. I normally will say, look, this is not serviceable, this grease trap is probably done, but they actually had to clean. That was a bush. There was a manhole there that nobody knew this manhole was here. We found it. This is actually the way out. So we got some water running down there, so I told them to put the hot water on, and let's go into a pump, and then it pumps it to the sewer. So we put we're gonna bring we actually tried the cross buster here, and he almost spun us around. So the thing is ridiculously hard. We're gonna hook up 2 war hogs here with extensions. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So, and we're gonna see if we can liquefy this to a point that we can suck it out with the pump truck. I can see why nobody services here, because nobody wanted this job, because they just couldn't get any trucks here. I was thinking about bringing the Vector, but if I bring the Vector in here, we'll destroy the whole yard and we'll never get out. There's a dozer parked over there, but I'm just gonna see if I can get it back to a liquid form. I'm gonna show you what the plan is in a little bit. We have snow coming at 5 o'clock, so we want to be out of here by 4. So we got these extensions. The thing is about 8 feet down, so we got these things right here with extensions. That'll help us get down there with a war hook attachment at the end. This will spin and also introduce water, so that's good. We have another one up here. We're gonna use these to make the hole to go in. This one won't be shooting at the back, so we're gonna dig a hole with this. That way we can stick the war hog all the way in without blocking the front nozzle. So this is gonna help us do the hole. The hole, you know, punch through that grease thing that's on top, and then we're gonna hook this baby up. And this, you know, one war hog on one side, another war hog on another side. We're gonna use the cross buster. Where is he going? The thing with these pipes is they have to be clean, because if there's rust in there, it will clog the nozzle, the orifices on the war hog. So we got to make sure we shoot water for a good while before we start. It's gonna be an interesting one. That's our new pumper truck. It's a really, really nice truck. I gotta get you a video on that one soon. Alright. Guys, think this is gonna work, guys? I don't know. We'll see. Buenos días, Manuel.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo maneja el camioncito? ¿Bien?
Está bien, sí.
¿Un Ferrari? ¿Un Mercedes?
Él acelera, pero se toma su tiempo. Él tiene que respirar. Sí, hay agua. Ya ahí se siente, ves que va. Ajá, va suave. Dale, va a las 5, nos vamos a dar el...
Ya lo tenemos ready, ya lo tenemos ready.
¿Dónde estaba el agua?
¿Qué hago?
Agua de... ¿Pudiste conectarlo?
All right, we almost got the grease trap all blended up, so let's hook this hose up. This is a very, very powerful truck. It's got tons of vacuum. Send it. All right, let's hope. I hope I brought a reducer. Oh boy, this is not good. Hey Siri, call wife. God damn it.
Que está viejo, se rompió ya. Esa gomita también cuando tan dura no es flexible, ¿no? Cuando va a quiere conectar.
Grease. So we got about a foot to go. I'm just gonna check how much. You can hear the stuff traveling to the truck. See how much we have left in the tank. Well, we're about halfway. Truck is working pretty good. I should have more vacuum than that. All right, gang. So very excited to tell you we're making very, very good progress here. It's done about halfway. This is a hotel here and they do events, weddings and things like that, so they're very happy with us. They were very happy that we were able to save the grease trap. Man, it was a lot of high pressure. There's huge chunks coming out. Alright guys, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching until the end. And hey, you have any ideas for future videos? Send them over to me. Send me a private message. I read all my messages and comments, so you can go ahead and do that, and I'll see you on the next video.